Hello everyone, how tutorials back with another new video. So today I'm gonna share with you how you can start group chatting in your Google Chat. For example, you have 2 3 or 4 friends or more friends, but you think that you wanna chat together, then you can start chatting on group. Okay, so how can you do this? Watch the video till the end, then you will learn. So choose any profile. So I'm gonna choose this account and then click here their name here, the profile name. Just simply click on this. When you click on this, then you'll see start a new chat. Okay, this one, start a new chat. So click on this, start a new chat. When you start a new chat, then you can search your name here, but I'm just going to click any name like this one. When I click this one, there are two friends, and after that you need to click done. Here you can see option like you can see here done. So simply click done, and it will be created the group. So okay friend, today is Norma, and thank you for watching this video.